it's stuck in my head. Yeah, wait for this. God 7 will open my eyes. Is that my vibration? Excusez-moi.
Set up a bit because like you're way too down.
Because I'm so like.
Can you like?
Because I'm like.
Can you ever like?
I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm bringing myself up. Oh, God, it's not break me. I'm not like a doll. You can just.
So, we're gonna watch Fly. Sorry.
Was that spit though?
No.
I wasn't sure because I felt it and I was like, that can't have been spit. I felt kind of hard. No.
Maybe your brain.
Maybe it's my brain. Let's just say it was. I believe in that. Ooh, right in my ear. I felt every breath. It like skimmed right here and it went underneath my glasses.
Skim blood.
Skimmed milk.
Hair dryer.
I'd be saying random pieces of vocabulary like that's how it's supposed to be vocabulary.
No, wait, no.
I don't remember that bit. You lied. You're a liar.
Our ears are not accustomed to Korean words, so like that.
Mother bullshit.
Excuse me. Hurry up.
Enunciate. Pronounce your
Pronunciate.
words.
Announce.
Tip of the tongue.
Tongue, nose, and lips.
That was a bleep. What?
It's like the believe.
Eating that booty. Oh, that's not what I was trying to say. I'm sorry. I'm not sorry.
What? Not. Hair dryer. Thank you guys for watching.
Instagram. KSpazzing. Twitter.
KSpazzing.
That's not what it's
called. Twitter. That ain't our name, blood. Twitter. No. Oh, that's the song you made the miracle.